The announcement of the 2026 Clio for testing, Mitsubishi is expected to announce its sister model, the Colt, which will showcase a new style for Mitsubishi vehicles. Changes include narrower full LED headlights, a new front grille, a more aggressive bumper design, and a larger body. The car will also see a radical change in its interior design, as the current vertical multimedia screen will be replaced by a horizontal one attached to the dashboard. The design is expected to be similar to what we have seen in new Renault models, such as the Renault 5 E-Tech electric car. The new Clio's cabin will also be more upscale, featuring materials with a modern feel, and some parts will be covered with padding instead of plastic. Furthermore, the gear lever will be moved to the steering wheel, giving the center console a more elegant appearance. Other than the body and interior design, no major changes are expected to the engines. There won't be a fully electric version this time, as this new generation will be built on the same platform as the outgoing model. 3 engine options are available,